Hi Eric. Okay, this is the way I would do it myself. You've got a services page here and you want to put a slider in there. Here's what you do. Excuse me. Let's first of all make a copy of the parallax slider. Okay, it's when you have a slider page, it's a lot easier to make a copy of that and then change the content than it is to try and drag the sliders and all that stuff into a page that doesn't have it. Okay, so that's going to be the simplest way. So first thing we're going to do is copy the parallax slider. Then we're going to copy the services page. Okay, we're going to drag the services page up and into the sliders folder. Okay, now let's open up both pages. Open up your copy of your services. Open up a copy of the parallax slider. Okay, and we're going to take the content from your services and we're going to take the content from your services page and put it into the copy of the parallax slider. Okay, so basically what we're going to do here is, and this is going to be a little bit of code stuff, you're going to open the page up, you're going to click somewhere in here, just whatever words you got in here. So if you've already been updating the page, that's fine. Here's what you're going to do then. Flip it over to code, and I want you to be, you're going to be in this thing looking for region 10. Okay, you'll see the container in blue. You're going to sort of put your cursor right on that, scroll all the way down, okay, until you find this instance end editable and that closing div tag. Okay, and you're just going to cut, Control X on your keyboard and cut it out. So now we've taken all the content from your services page. We're going to go into the parallax slider copy and basically do the reverse. We're going to put our cursor in here, go to code, see region 10. Once again, copy this starting container all the way down, or not copy, but select it. Go all the way down until the instance end editable, and you'll see an HR tag there most likely. And then you'll see region 11 down here, so delete. Okay, so now we have region 10. We have a little bit of white space. Instance end editable, instance begin editable, and in the middle we're going to paste all that stuff we copied over from the services page. Okay, and save. So now we have a copy of, we have the parallax slider with your services content previewed in a browser. There it is. Oops. There it is there. So there's our services information in here. Okay. And we pop on down, right? Okay, now we want to get it moved back into the root folder. So we're going to drag the copy of the parallax slider back into the root folder and update. Okay, that's going to update all our links. We can close this down now. Close this down now. Say no to that. So now we have the parallax slider copy. I'm just going to check to make sure. Now we're going to preview it again in our browser. Right. There it is. Now all the icons are showing up and everything's working the way it is now that we've moved it. Cool. Okay. The next step is going to be with your parallax slider copy open, we're just simply going to overwrite the services page. So with this, we're going to go File, Save As, select the services, and hit Save. And yes, you want to overwrite it. It's going to do its thing. Now it's going to open up and save. Okay, we're going to keep a copy of the parallax slider, but watch this. We just close everything down, like so, and open up our services page now. Hit the F12 button to preview in a browser. There it is. There's our services page that we created. There's the parallax slider, and there's all the bits and pieces functioning.